Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I just got home from a fair. We went to a fair. I vlogged that fair, so look out for that vlog. Maybe it's coming before this video or after, I'm not sure. And if my puff looks lean, guys, it's the wind from driving home. I literally just got back in the house. My eyes are low. Yeah, but I'm here to do a short fashion overhaul. This is just a short, oh my gosh, my voice. All that shouting and screaming from the fair, I can barely see, but I am so determined to do this video right now because I have these packages just here, and this fashion overhaul is just a short one. It's just 4 pieces because I did most of my order from Shein and Chitney, so you'll see those videos after this one. These are just items that I needed to go with items from Chitney and Shein. But anyways, let's jump into this real quick. Let me show you guys what I got. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna show you is this link bracelet. So I wore it since night to the fair. So I just got this. It's called Icy Chain Link Bracelet. So cute. It's one size and it has the little diamonds in it and it opens like this. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. So it's called Icy Chain Link Bracelet. I'm gonna write the names of all the items that I have here in my fashion overhaul, and also I'm gonna leave the links down below in my description box for each items, just in case someone likes something that I post. I always do that for all my fashion overhauls and for all my clothing hauls. Let me show you up close of this bracelet. It is very cute with the little rhinestones. Not sure if it's showing clear on the camera because I can barely see myself over here. I'm like I'm literally out of it, guys. My eyes are blurry, my voice is going. It has been a long night. That vlog is coming soon, like I said. That's the first item from this package. Alrighty, let's see what's next on the list. This little sleepwear, it's like a house dress, sleepwear dress. It is so soft. It is called Doing Naughty Nicely PJ shirt dress. It's just a little Christmas house dress, simple little house dress that I got. It was on sale, Black Friday sale, so I just grabbed it, you know. Something cute, something light. Yeah, just something airy and light. The next hauls that are coming up are gonna be more detailed, more items, more haulish. This is just a short, a little quick one, you know. Fashion Nova was just the leftovers, like what I didn't get on Shein and Chitney, I just grabbed from Fashion Nova. First of all, what? Second, I don't like how this dress smell. Scratch that. I don't know how I feel about this dress and how it fits. This is called the You Are Mine mini dress in the color ivory. So basically it's white. It's size small, but the top is supposed to be loose. You guys know Fashion Nova used to be my favorite store. All the hauls that I've done a lot of hauls on here, but I haven't bought from them in like a year because it's not giving me what it used to give. Or maybe it's just me and my body, I don't know. Guys, don't feel like I'm complaining too much, you know. I don't usually complain when I do my hauls, honestly. Go watch my old videos. But let me know what you think. The material is very thick. It's very warm. So if you live in a state or a country where it's cold and you're trying to get like worn dresses and such, this is nice. I might dress this up with some high knee boots and see if it will look any different. Maybe it's just me, I'm getting older, my body doesn't look the same anymore. I just feel like there's a lot of changes going on with me because I'm getting older. Like I said, this is a size small, comes with the extra button, but the material is very thick, like it's giving sweater. It's giving sweater, so that's good. For the people out there that have the body like the models on Fashion Nova, if you get this dress, you're good. If you have my body and you look like SpongeBob, guys, go with your Kaminago. Guys, now this right here, this two-piece set, this goes hard. Like, I'm going back on Fashion Nova to see if they have more colors in this, because I'm buying the other colors. The material is everything. Like, I have itchy skin, sensitive skin, and material, certain material itches me, but this is super soft. Like, it feels like it's so soft, like the house dress. So this is called Ready for the Weekend lounge set. I didn't just buy just a random lounge set just to buy a random set. This is to go with a piece that's in my Shein package, because this is just an inside piece, this outfit. But when I tried it on, I was like, this is cute, this is nice. It has a pocket on the sleeve here. See, there's a pocket here on the sleeve. It has the hood on the back, and like I said, I wear size small. My height is 5 feet 2 inches. Like, I'm 5'2". So the pants now, the pants has 2 pockets here and here. Oh my gosh, it fits so perfect. It feels so good. It feels like there's nothing on me. It goes all the way down here. But like I said, I have one more item left from my Fashion Nova haul. This is the no strings attached booties. Whew. It is the color burgundy, guys. And guess what? I got this to wear. Oh my gosh, the heels. Can I walk in this? I wasn't expecting it to be this high, but it's so cute. It's to die for. It has the zipper on the side plus lace. I really don't like boots with lace, but I said let me just try this one. And the outfit that I buy this to wear with is gonna be on Shein as well. Like, I bought a lot of stuff from Shein and Chick Me. Like I said, I didn't get the shoes that I wanted to wear for the fit on Shein, so I came to Fashion Nova, and that's how I got it. So cute. I have to try it on. Guys, I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna use my phone to record how it looks on my feet, because I don't feel like moving this camera. I am just being lazy with this haul because it's not really a haul. The other hauls will be a haul. But I have to try this. BRB. But let me give you an up close right here right now on this. Let me give you an up close look at it. It's burgundy, guys. This is fire. Talk to me. Hello, who's there? Hola, mi amor. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Mucho. This is how they're looking. They fit perfect. I love them. Instagram, and you'll see how I dress these up. They badass. Ooh. Anyways, KK Squad, like I said, this was just a short little haul, just showing you guys what I got from Fashion Nova. I'm about to take a shower and go to bed. It's 1:45, almost 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm tired. So thank you guys so much for watching. Look out for my vlog that I vlogged today at the, well, since night at the fair. Also look out for my Shein haul and my Chick Me haul. Thank you for the support, and comment down below your thoughts. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.